Arcs and Inscribed Angles, Video Lesson Part 2. This video lesson will help the learners determine the relation among arcs and inscribed angles of a circle, and will help them find the measure of arcs and inscribed angles of a circle. Inscribed angle. Before we start, are you ready to learn about the relations among arcs and inscribed angles of a circle? I am sure you are. But before that, let us first define what is an inscribed angle. An inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on a circle and whose sides contain chords of the circle. Example here. So, notice that there is an angle inside the circle, and let us name this as angle A. Angle A is not an inscribed angle. Why? Because the vertex is not on the side of the circle. Then another circle, we have here angle B inside the circle. This is an inscribed angle because its sides contain chords of the circle and the vertex is on the side of the circle. Then another circle, we have here angle C inside the circle. This is not an inscribed angle. This is a central angle because the vertex is on the center of the circle. Another circle and an angle inside the circle. Angle D is an inscribed angle because its sides contain chords of the circle and the vertex is on the circle. Let us draw another circle. So we have point E, point F, and point G. Let us draw two chords to make an angle. So, chord FE and chord FG. So, we now have angle EFG. Angle EFG is an inscribed angle and its intercepted arc is arc EG. The center of the circle is in the interior of the angle. So, kung napapansin nyo, nasa loob ng angle yung center nung circle. Another example. So, let us name this as angle JIH. Angle JIH is an inscribed angle, and its intercepted arc is arc JH. One side of the angle is the diameter of the circle. So, yung chord IJ is the diameter of the circle. Why? Because the chord passes through the center of the circle. Then we have another circle, and let us draw another angle inside the circle. Now we have angle KLM. Angle KLM is an inscribed angle and its intercepted arc is arc KM. The center of the circle is in the exterior of the angle. So wala siya sa loob ng angle. Nasa labas siya ng angle. Theorems on inscribed angle. The measure of the inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 the measure of the intercepted arc. In the given figure, we have here angle BAC. Angle BAC is an inscribed angle and arc BC is its intercepted arc. If the measure of arc BC is equals to 120 degrees, then the measure of angle BAC is equals to 60 degrees because 1/2 of 120 is 60. If two inscribed angles intercept the same arc, then the angles are congruent. We have here angle PIO and angle PLO. The intercepted arc of angle PIO is arc PO, and the intercepted arc of angle PLO is also arc PO. So, angle PIO and angle PLO intercept the same arc, which is arc PO. Since angle PIO and angle PLO intercept the same arc, the two angles then are congruent. Another figure here. We have here two angles. Angle SIM and angle ELP. The intercepted arc of angle SIM is arc SM, and the intercepted arc of angle ELP is arc EP. Now, if the intercepted arc of angle SIM, which is arc SM, is congruent to arc EP, then we can also say that the two angles, angle SIM is congruent to angle ELP. If an inscribed angle of a circle intercepts a semicircle, then the angle is a right angle. Example, given angle NTE. Angle NTE intercepts arc NSE. Now, if arc NSE is a semicircle, because we know that the diameter, which is NE, or segment NE, because it passes through the center of the circle, point O, so therefore, arc NSE is a semicircle. Now, if arc NSE is a semicircle, then we can say that angle NTE is a right angle. So, malalaman mong right angle siya pag meron doong square, yun yung mark niya na right angle yung triangle. If a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, then the opposite angles are supplementary. Given in a circle, we have here a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. Let us name this quadrilateral as quadrilateral PQRS. Quadrilateral PQRS is inscribed in a circle. Now, we know that supplementary angles is equals to 180 degrees, meaning if you add supplementary angles, the sum is always equals to 180 degrees. And according to the theorem, the opposite angles of a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle are supplementary. We have here angle QPS with vertex P. Now, the opposite angle of angle QPS is angle QRS at vertex R. If you add the measure of the two angles, the measure of angle QPS plus the measure of angle QRS, since they are supplementary, it is equals to 180 degrees. Ano pa ba yung ibang angles dito sa quadrilateral natin? So we have here angle PQR, and the opposite angle of angle PQR is angle PSR. So if we add the two angles, it is also equals to 180 degrees since the opposite angles in a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle are supplementary. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. This is Teacher Nati saying, Let us thank God for all the blessings that He has given us.